Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to fix the Google Play Store download pending. First, you need to open up your Play Store application on your mobile device. Here, you just have to install some applications to see if they have the pending issue. Now to resolve this, simply go to the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the Manage Apps and Device option here. Here, you need to tap on the Updates Available option. Now tap on the Pending Apps here. After that, tap on the Cancel button. Once done, open up your Settings application. Here you need to tap on Apps. Now on the Apps page, simply scroll down and tap on the Google Play Store option. Then scroll a bit and tap on Storage. After that, tap on the Clear Cache option located at the bottom. Once you have done this, open up your Play Store application again. Now you need to download any application here. As you can see here, your app is currently downloading and your pending issue is resolved now. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.